Oklahoma Excel has done more to change my thinking about my practice than anything I've ever done before. To suddenly see connections to other strategies or other ways of thinking.
Our members come together and we use the power of improvement science to conduct rapid cycles of improvement, strategies that have an evidence base, high leverage interventions, and our teachers spend about 5 to 6 weeks really investigating those strategies, understanding how they play out in their local context, and then making adjustments based on what the data shows.
The notion that teachers had freedom to try something and it not be okay the first time, to have freedom to try and then change it and try again and polish it so they get to something they're proud of.
One of the unique things about our model of professional learning is that we actually have data to show the instructional shifts that are happening in the classroom. We can track how the strategies that the teachers are learning, how those are playing out with students and the kinds of impact that they're making on them academically as well as socially and emotionally.
Just walk them through it verbally.
I've seen growth in teachers personally and growth in the team, gaining leadership, believing in themselves, taking ownership of what they're doing, increasing their collaboration within that team.
Of the 6 teachers that I've gotten to work with, 5 of them have now moved into leadership roles. This experience has led them to see themselves differently, to see that they had something to offer not only to their students but to their fellows.
Thinking of an individual teacher on our team, she has grown so much. She was a second-year teacher and I could see this little light in her and has just become a huge leader in her specific department.
We're seeing those shifts play out in real time and it's really energizing our teachers and it's energizing our students.